Well, well, well. Rob John's Beer Reviews. I'm back. I do the 20 ounce, 16 ounce tulip glass. Frost it in the freezer for 20 minutes. And a little different now. Starting to do cans. Deftones Phantom Bride. 7.1 ABV, 70 IBUs. It's a single IPA from Belching Beaver out in Vista, California here. Something different here. I've never done cans before, so they say it doesn't taste like chamber. We'll see when we open this up, all right? Now let's flip top this baby now. A little different here now, here. Hey, Rob, what? Flip top it. Yeah, hey? Flip it. Here it goes. Flip top it, Rob. Okay, well, I'll flip top it. Perfect hiss. Come on, open this up, baby, up here. Okay, there we go. And we're gonna pour it at 45-degree angle, just like we do the bottles here. Except it's canned, so bear with me, guys. All right, here it goes. Pour gradually slow here. Don't overpower here, just like the bottles. But this is a can here. Should have a half a finger head to 3 fingers head here. There we go. Pouring in nicely. It's like a gold color here. There we go. And go about half finger head here. Let's get a nose on it. You can smell the caramel in it. Also, you can smell the Amarillo and the Mosaic. Cheers, Rob. Check it. Nice single IPA. It's unfiltered, so you guys cannot see through it. Anyway, the canned on date, not a bottle on date, but canned on date, 8/16/17. And the beer is good for 90 days. After 90 days, it becomes a malt bomb. Be more malty than it over hops, and you don't want an IPA with too much malts in it. It'll screw it all up. Anyway, the availability is a year-round beer. And do a toast to master brewer of Belching Beaver out in Vista, California, is Troy Smith. Cheers, Troy. Chug it. Still tastes great from the very bottom of the glass to the top. This beautiful lacing inside here. Better lacing the beer, like I say in all my videos here. Let's do another toast here. And we got a little list here. Bear with me, guys, all right? Okay, toast to David Furman, who works at Monument Wines and Spirits there on Monument Boulevard there in Concord. Cheers, David. Chug it. Very excellent, good beer here. Nice single IPA. Also make a toast to Wolf Sex Hour, who works at Monument Car Parts in Pacheco, California. He's a delivery driver. Cheers, Wolfman. Chug it, wussy. Yay. Okay, one last toast to RJ Reyes, my supervisor at Concord Petco there on Concord Avenue. He's also known as the Growler Man, Mr. Growler. Cheers, Growler. Chug it. Okay, let's do the ratings now. Rate beer, 97 overall, 98 style. Beer Advocate, 88, very good range. On tap is 4.01 equals an A. And Rob Johns here, 100 overall, I give it an A+. Hey Rob, what? Chug it. Okay, I'll chug it. Chug it. Anyway, make sure you guys, you see these letters here? I say in all my videos here, some of my videos. Make sure you hand wash it by hand with mild warm to hot water. You put it in the dishwasher. See all these letters, these cute little letters here? You put in the dishwasher, the heating elements will take them off and fuck them all up. Anyway, dry it with a lintless cotton towel, alright? It's about time to go here now. Don't really want to, but I had no choice. My magic words are on all my videos and my specials. It's time for fucking cold one. Double hands this time, alright? Out. Yeah, yeah. And don't forget to fucking chug it. Yay! Chug it. Do beer review number 48, maybe tomorrow, on Sunday, on 9/17. Maybe not. All depends if I feel like it or not. Anyway. Bye-bye. And don't forget to watch my videos here and subscribe. It's free subscription. Once you click on subscription, it's free and it goes right to directly to your email. Click on it, you'll see my new video, alright? Bye-bye.